I'm Professor James Small. I'm a very gifted spiritual scientist of African sacred science. I have an extraordinary memory for historical facts. I practice a very structured, orderly, and balanced living style. I believe completely that true freedom is being shackled to your history, your culture, your spiritual system, and your ancestral tradition. I'm an effective political advocate. I'm an extraordinary educator. I love being a husband and parent. It is one of my greatest genius. I've an undying love for all things African. And I'm a priest in the Ifa tradition as practiced by the Yoruba people of Africa. And what do? I'm the CEO of the African American Management Company, Ghana Limited, owner of the Sanaa Lodge, Cape Coast, Ghana. I'm president of the Cultural Heritage African Tours. We've been for 40 years conducting tours to Africa and the southern part of the United States. I'm the chief historical consultant for ABC Disney and MGM Plus TV movie Godfather of Harlem. I conduct and lecture and do tours and workshops throughout the world. One of the things I'm very proud of doing, genius is common.